Hi everyone, today I'm just going to show you how to make cream spinach. This is a really nice way of using up extra spinach that you might have on hand. This will pair nicely with beef, chicken, or fish. And so the first thing that you're going to want to do is melt 1 tablespoon of butter and add in a half a cup of sliced shallots. I'm just going to go ahead and saute these shallots until they're translucent, and that can just take a couple of minutes. Next, I'm going to add in 2 cloves of garlic and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm just going to stir this in for about 30 seconds. Now it's time to add in a half a cup of half and half. I'm just going to let this simmer for just about a minute. It'll help to thicken it. All right, now it's time to add in our spinach. I have 5½ cups of chopped baby spinach. I'll just stir this in well. And now it's time to add in 1 tablespoon of whipped cream cheese. I'm just waiting to let the spinach cook down just a little bit. Now it's time to add in 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Now this is the fresh Parmesan cheese, not the kind that you would get off the shelf in the grocery store. Now I'm just going to adjust the heat to about medium-low. Let this thicken up a little bit. Once your spinach has reached the right consistency, go ahead and turn it off and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Stir that in. And then go ahead and salt and pepper to taste. Stir that up. That's all there is to this, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.